We are Locale, the UK's leading occupier experience platform spanning 80 million square feet of UK commercial, residential and mixed-use real estate. We empower the real estate industry to streamline building operations and enhance occupier experiences. We have 3 key services: operational real estate, creating communities, and bespoke content streaming. So what should you expect when you begin working with us? We take a consultative approach. Together, we clarify your objectives and identify any challenges you want to tackle in your building or portfolio. This includes any integrations where necessary. We consult with your stakeholders and gather all required details needed to launch Locale, from choice of URL to brand guidelines and app customization. Locale is shaped around you. Back at Locale HQ, our experts create a tailored strategy, while our in-house developers and designers start creating your dedicated Locale platform. It is then built and tested, reflecting the initial requirements. Now Locale is ready to be launched. You'll receive a welcome email with all the instructions you need to get started. Our success and engagement team will begin your onboarding process with a kick-off meeting to establish objectives and KPIs for your building and community. Learn how to use your platform on Locale Academy, our dedicated training and information hub. With 30, 60 and 90-day check-ins, Locale can be adapted to meet your evolving requirements. In between these regular check-ins, our care team is just one phone call or email away to support you. With Locale, you can have one seamless platform. Combine your team with our industry expertise to deliver the best occupier experience in any building, destination or community. You can save over 100 hours per week in staff productivity, so you can prioritise what truly matters, your occupiers. Get in touch today to begin your journey with Locale.